Nope. Yeah. Yeah, the green one. Well, sure, we can do that.
This is like the star of the show. Today.
No problem.
The weekend.
Yep, we'll see you then. Bye.
Oh my god, hashtag Scott Durkin.
You ready to go rescue a Jeep?
No.
Yep. Got a mission. All right, guys, so we have a limited time to go get this Jeep. I am on my way to pick up my buddy Todd. We're gonna head out, go pick this Jeep up, bring it home. We gotta get a tow dolly first. All right, so I'm running late. I didn't anticipate all the July 4th traffic, but it's a gorgeous day out today. 66. I don't want to be on there. Anyway, we're picking up Todd here in a few minutes. Anyway, we're gonna go get a tow dolly from U-Haul and head down to my buddy's house in South Central Virginia. Pick that 67 Jeep CJ5 up. And who knows? Might turn out to be a driver. Anyway, we're gonna go pick up Todd. Be back in a minute. All right, we're here at U-Haul. Got the tow dolly hooked up. Todd's hooking that up for us. All right, that was kind of painless. That's one of those drop and tow things, I guess.
That's pretty neat.
Yeah. Thanks, Todd. Hey, had touched nothing. That's amazing. Maybe I should have got that. Hope it doesn't turn out that the tires blow out. It's my buddy Todd. Picked him up. We're gonna go down South Central Virginia and go pick this Jeep up. And got the trailer all hooked up now, or tow dolly. And see you in a few. All right, so check it out. We figured out the tires on the Jeep that we're getting ready to go pick up are completely dry rotted. So what we're gonna do, was actually what we just did, stopped here at Walmart and make sure they had 2 of them in stock. We're gonna go get the Jeep, bring it back, take the tires off of it, have them mounted up. That way we're guaranteed the ones that are touching the pavement off of the tow dolly makes it home. So hey, we're a little worried about that. So anyway, we got that situated, and hop in the Jeep here and head on up to my buddy Rob's place. Yay. Check it out, guys. We made it. All right, so this is all his fault. That's Rob. We got the Jeep ready to go on to the tow dolly. The tow dolly kind of situated here behind the Gladiator. Yeah, so it's been a fun day so far. So we stopped and figured out if we could get some tires for this thing, because they're a little bit dry rotted on the back, and it's only, what, 9 miles to the Walmart. So we're gonna stop and get those put on. But this guy right here is going home with me today. And that's just gonna be another project for this winter. And I'll fill you guys in on that. And let's get this thing loaded. You got it off. I couldn't get it off. All right, so we're gonna try and pull it on to the tow dolly with the tractor. Get a little roll on there first. sees them on there. All right, so me and Todd stopped here at Walmart. We're gonna bust some new tires on there for me. Where you going, Todd? Here's Todd. There's the Jeep. Get out. I got the wheels off of it. Put me some new tires on there. Almost done. Todd, are you helping?
Trying.
Okay. All right, we're out of here in a few minutes. Okay, so we made it home. Notice anything missing off of the tow dolly? Yeah, we got it all. You should have seen the way we got it off. I didn't film that. It was barbaric. Well, got it done. We almost blew out a tire on the way here. That tire went flat, but got it home. All right, so we got it home, and then it's resting place here. Never mind the mess. That's going to salvage. Yeah, so it's a 67 Kaiser CJ5. Already has a custom dent. Well, so check out that tire. Can you see the bubble? Yeah, that thing went flat on us on the way here. Todd was supposed to be watching it. Oh, well, we got it home. This will be the project for next year once the scrambler is done. And I'll give you a hint of what it's going to look like here in a second. All right, guys, so thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share if you're enjoying the videos. And also check out my buddies at Crawler Off-Road. They sent me a care package over the weekend. I really appreciate it. And also, you can get 10% off now for a limited time if you use Jeep Doc 10. Get 10% off everything in stock except for the kinetic ropes. But really appreciate them coming on board and supporting the channel. So you can do your share by ringing that bell and subscribing. Thanks a lot.